What if I told you there's a tiny seed that can help lower high cholesterol, manage elevated blood sugar levels, and improve digestive issues, including constipation, which affect millions of people? Seeds are recognized as small but mighty sources of nutrition. Among them, one seed is particularly notable for its health benefits. This seed is quinoa, often mistaken for a cereal, but it is actually classified as a pseudo-cereal. A pseudo-cereal is a type of plant that isn't a grass, but is valued for its seeds, similar to cereals. These seeds can be prepared by cooking or grinding into flour. Pseudo-cereals are gluten-free and include options like buckwheat, amaranth, and quinoa. Quinoa has become a popular health food in the United States and other Western countries, even though it has been cultivated in South America for thousands of years. Centuries ago, the Inca people regarded this ancient grain as sacred. In recent years, quinoa's popularity has significantly increased due to the rising demand for nutritious, gluten-free grain alternatives that are easy to grow. Quinoa is not only rich in nutrients, but it may also provide some health benefits. In today's video, we'll delve into the 7 scientifically proven health benefits of quinoa. And believe me, one of the benefits on this list will surely surprise you. As a bonus, by watching until the end, you'll learn how to cook quinoa correctly, the recommended daily amount of quinoa, various ways to use quinoa, its types, and much more. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Have you ever tried quinoa? Did you like it or not? Which part of the world are you from? Leave your comment below. So, what are the proven health benefits of quinoa? 1. Reduces cholesterol. Quinoa improves lipid profiles, meaning it lowers LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increases HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This is beneficial for the health of our heart and blood vessels. Quinoa contains fiber that might help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Plus, its rich omega-3 fatty acids could have a beneficial effect as well. A study showed that consuming 50 grams, 1.7 ounces, each day for 6 weeks resulted in reduced total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol levels. 2. Helps control blood sugar levels. This is due to its low glycemic index and high fiber content, which means that when you consume it, the glucose or sugar enters the bloodstream more slowly, with fewer glucose spikes, helping to keep blood sugar levels more stable. This is beneficial for people with diabetes, prediabetes, or those who want to maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Many studies have shown that eating whole grains is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes and better blood sugar management. In one extensive review, it was found that consuming merely 16 grams of fiber from whole grains each day was connected to a 33% reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study involving rats discovered that it might be able to reverse certain negative impacts of a high fructose diet, such as elevated blood sugar levels. This may be due to the presence of phytoesterics, which have been demonstrated to reduce blood sugar in mice. 3. Quinoa is a rich source of protein. Quinoa provides all 9 essential amino acids needed for our body to function, which we cannot produce on our own. This is particularly important for vegans and vegetarians. One of its most unique qualities is that it serves as a valuable source of protein, particularly for those following a mostly plant-based diet. Although it is possible to obtain all essential amino acids from a plant-based diet, it necessitates consuming a variety of plant-based proteins. Quinoa is particularly rich in lysine, methionine, and cysteine, which are amino acids that are often lacking in plant foods. Quinoa is a valuable grain that offers 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, 185 grams, which can support your daily protein needs. 4. Improves digestion. Its high fiber content promotes better digestion and also prevents problems like constipation, helping stools move more easily. Additionally, quinoa nourishes the good bacteria in our gut, the microbiota, making this flora healthier and benefiting our overall health. Research conducted through both in vitro and animal studies indicates that quinoa functions as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. 5. Improves heart health. Quinoa contains potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure. It also lowers blood cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. Additionally, it helps maintain blood sugar levels, assists with weight reduction, and contains antioxidants like camphorol and quercetin, which have positive effects on chronic diseases in general. All these factors combined make quinoa beneficial for heart health and blood vessels. 6. Beneficial for bone health. This is due to its mineral content and also its complete proteins, containing all the essential amino acids. Important minerals for bone health include magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, and zinc. The combination of these nutrients and proteins is good for bone repair, maintenance, and formation, and help prevent bone density reduction. 7. May aid weight loss. Quinoa has several characteristics that make it a great choice for weight loss. It contains more protein than other similar foods, such as rice, corn, and whole wheat. Protein is known to be a crucial element for weight loss since it helps to boost metabolism and increase the feeling of fullness. By doing so, it may aid in preventing obesity and related health issues. Fiber also plays a vital role in weight loss by reducing calorie intake, increasing satiety, and promoting better gut health. Quinoa has a higher fiber content compared to many other whole grains. Additionally, quinoa has a relatively low glycemic index, GI, and consuming low GI foods has been shown to help prevent overeating and reduce hunger. What are the types of quinoa? There are 3 main types of quinoa: white, red, and black. They differ in color, texture, and flavor, but have similar nutritional compositions, rich in proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Quinoa is a complete protein source, containing all essential amino acids, and is also high in fiber, vitamins, such as B9 and B6, and minerals, such as magnesium and iron. It is gluten-free, making it suitable for people with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Additionally, quinoa contains antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help promote health and protect against chronic diseases. How much quinoa should you consume daily? The amount of quinoa you should consume daily varies based on your individual caloric needs and any pre-existing health conditions like diabetes, kidney issues, or food allergies. Generally, it's recommended to eat between half a cup to 1 cup of cooked quinoa per day. This equals roughly 185 grams of cooked quinoa, providing around 222 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. For a balanced diet, it's best to include a variety of foods rather than focusing solely on one. How to cook quinoa? Cooking quinoa is a simple process. Begin with 1 cup of fresh quinoa, which weighs approximately 170 to 180 grams, and combine it with 2 cups of water, about half a liter. Start by rinsing the quinoa in a fine mesh sieve under cold water to eliminate saponins, which can impart a bitter flavor and hinder nutrient absorption. Next, bring the water to a boil in a pot. Add the rinsed quinoa and allow it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the heat, cover the quinoa, and let it rest for 5 minutes to absorb any remaining water. Finally, uncover the quinoa, fluff it gently with a fork, and it's ready to be incorporated into a variety of delicious recipes. Ways to enjoy quinoa. Quinoa is a versatile ingredient that can be used in various ways. When cooked, it can serve as a substitute for rice or pasta and can be enhanced with herbs or spices like garlic, onion, cumin, or turmeric. It's great in salads, hot dishes such as quinoa curry, stews, soups, and even for breakfast when mixed with cow's milk or plant-based milk. You can also make veggie burgers using quinoa, combining it with legumes, oats, or grated vegetables. Another idea is to create quinoa milk, which can replace cow's milk or other dairy products, and it can even be mixed into yogurt. Quinoa flour is another option that can be used to bake bread, cookies, or pastries. It's a good idea to use quinoa in healthy ways. What are the potential side effects of quinoa? Quinoa can potentially have side effects. Generally, the amounts discussed here should not cause issues, but some individuals may have an allergic reaction, presenting symptoms such as skin rashes or even respiratory problems. If this occurs, quinoa should be avoided. Moreover, due to its high fiber content, some people might experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, abdominal discomfort, or diarrhea. These symptoms are more likely in individuals who are not used to consuming fiber. So it's advisable to start with small amounts and gradually increase intake. Another consideration is the presence of anti-nutrients in quinoa, such as saponins, phytates, and oxalates. These compounds can hinder nutrient absorption or, in the case of saponins, cause a bitter taste. Oxalates can bind with calcium, potentially leading to the formation of kidney stones in predisposed individuals and decreasing calcium absorption. This issue can be lessened by rinsing quinoa under cold water using a fine mesh sieve to remove saponins and anti-nutrients. Some people prefer soaking quinoa for 2 to 3 hours before cooking and then discarding the water, while others soak it overnight. It's worth noting that some commercial brands pre-clean or rinse quinoa, making this step unnecessary at home. Additionally, although quinoa is naturally gluten-free and safe for those with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, cross-contamination could be a concern during processing. This is particularly true if quinoa is processed in facilities that also handle gluten-containing grains such as wheat, barley, and rye. In such cases, it's best to look for products labeled as gluten-free. If this video helped you out, why not give it a quick like and share it around? It could really help someone else discover the amazing benefits of quinoa too. Do you regularly consume quinoa on your daily basis? Do you like it? Have you heard about these health benefits of quinoa? Drop a comment and let's chat about it. If you want to stay in the loop with more health tips, just hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We release new videos every week. Your likes and comments really keep us going. They show us what you want to see more of. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected specially for you. I think you'll love them. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.